The past few weeks have made it increasingly unclear as to where Bitcoin and the crypto markets are heading next, as BTC has now entered a firm consolidation trend that has led it to trade sideways within the mid-$8,000 region. One prominent cryptocurrency analyst is now noting that Bitcoin could be on the cusp of entering a Max Pain scenario that leads BTC to firmly trade within an incredibly wide trading range until investors' interest in the market dries up. Although this does spell some trouble for the crypto in the near term, it is important to note that this may be the type of mid-term price action that is required for Bitcoin to garner enough momentum to extend its 2020 uptrend to fresh yearly highs. At the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading up just under 2% at its current price of $8,500, which marks a notable climb from its daily lows of $8,300. It is important to note that BTC has been struggling to move back into the upper $8,000 region ever since it broke below the lower boundary of the tight trading range around $8,700 that it had been caught within for several days after its rejection at $9,200. Josh Rager, a prominent and well-respected cryptocurrency analyst on Twitter, explained in a tweet that although he does not believe that Bitcoin will drop towards $5,000 like some bearish analysts do, he does think that it may experience a Max Pain scenario that entails it ranging between $7,000 and $9,000. Although the potential extended bout of range-bound trading may hamper investor sentiment and spark fear of another prolonged downtrend, it is possible that it may also mark an accumulation phase for savvy investors. Rager also mused this possibility in a later tweet, explaining that previous bouts of significantly range-bound trading have ultimately resulted in upwards movements. If this scenario does play out as Rager anticipates, the markets could soon see a prolonged bout of sideways trading while investors accumulate, which means that this could ultimately be followed by a serious extension of its recent upwards momentum.